Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay, and if you're a returning subscriber, you're highly welcome. Thank you very much. In today's recipe is how to cook this Nigerian Egusi soup. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. It's all free. Thank you. So let's begin. For my protein, I'm using goat meat. This is a frozen goat meat, which I will be defrosing in a minute. And I got here pomo and some piece of chicken breast. Whoa. In this pot, I add all my meat and I go on and season it. Add some scotch bonnet pepper, salt, and seasoning cube. Stir and let it start to cook. And add some chopped onion. Cover and let it continue to cook. After 10 minutes, I go back to the meat and give it a quick stir. So I let it continue cooking, and I got crayfish and egusi, which I'm going to grind together. Go back on and check on my meat and give it another good stir. As you can see, the meat have generated its own juice enough, so I'll go on and add more water to cook the meat. Just enough water to cook the meat. So while it's cooking in this pan, I will go on and add my palm oil, then add some chopped onion, give that a quick stir, and I add some piece of salt. Stir and let it caramelize. Here is my smooth paste grinded egusi. When grinding your egusi, make sure to add water if you want to get that very smooth paste. So I go on and add it to my well caramelized onion and palm oil. So I give that a good stir, continue to mix. So at this point, I'm cooking it in a very low heat to avoid it burning. And I'll let it continue to cook while I go back and give it another quick stir. You want to make sure you put an eye on this egusi, otherwise it's gonna burn. Just continue to stir it every 5 minutes. Next, I go back and check on the meat, and the meat is doing just fine. The pomo and the goat meat is softened by now. So I go back and check on the egusi, and I add some water. So I give it a quick stir again and let it continue to cook in a low heat. Then I add my meat stock. Gradually mix that all up. Then it's time to add those meats. And stir it all up. Combine everything. Guys, look at how colorful this soup is. This is really appetizing. Like the smells coming out of this soup is heaven. So at this point, I continue to let it to cook in a low heat. Then I add my uziza. I just love how colorful this soup is. Then mix that all up and let it continue to cook in a low heat. If you want to achieve a great result, make sure to leave it in a low heat. And I let it cook for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, this is the result. Guy, I am done cooking. Like, I'm really done cooking. So I'm just giving it a quick stir to combine everything. At this point, you can taste for salt or pepper to make sure everything is okay. So I'll let it cook for another 10 good minutes. And then we have our soup. I love the soup a bit watery, not too dry, not too watery. This consistency is fine with me. So I continue to give it a quick stir while it's cooking on a very low heat. So I'll let it cook for another 10 minutes and it's okay. So this is how I made my quick egusi soup. There are tons of many ways to make this soup, but this is my first and easy way to make it, and I love the outcome. So you can enjoy this soup with eba, fufu, samovita, with pounded yam. It's all good to go. It goes down very well. So if you enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel if you want to get an update whenever I post new videos. And guys, I really appreciate your support. Thank you for stopping by, and I will definitely see you in my next one.